What up, YouTube? We off to Louisiana. Leaving Oklahoma, heading out to Louisiana. I'm actually going down here to help my buddy with his truck. I know I've said in the previous video, my car page is Restored Muscle LLC. I'll put it down in the description, but I'm actually headed out to Louisiana to help him with his truck. This is a voiceover, but while I was there, I ran into Kelly B and he was saying that, hey, there's a Block Burners MC event going on. So y'all stay tuned, man. Enjoy the video. Man, when I tell y'all it was windy, I'm talking about it felt like I was riding sideways almost. You see me tuck in a minute, because I'm telling you that wind was just vicious out there, man. So there has been, the week before this ride, there was a lot of storms. I mean, wildfires and stuff like that in Oklahoma and surrounding areas. But man, I'm talking about windy. You can see me tucking. I mean, it was bad. We made it through, y'all. Keep watching. All right, y'all, we pulled over. Nothing's wrong, but I wanted to get that sign for you guys. Just wanted to pull over and get that sign. You probably won't be able to get a picture, but at least you can see me with the sign in the back. So yeah, made it to Texas. We're going to, let me put a sticker on the pole. Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, Mosley Moto just had an idea. Had some stickers made, so I'll put my QR code on this pole over here. Yeah, now that I'm thinking about it, anybody else makes it out, we got some people already on here. But yeah, we're going to put that right there. So if you guys leave out of Oklahoma coming down toward Dallas, at the Welcome to Texas sign, you'll see my sticker with the QR code. Make it easy. Just scan it with your camera, and you guys will be good to go. So let me change out my battery with my GoPro. I had the GoPro on my little tripod or my handlebar mount. I'm gonna put the GoPro back in my helmet. That way you guys can actually hear me talk. So I'll be back in a minute. I do got to stop for gas in a minute, so my next stop will be gas. All right, see y'all. All right, I think I'll be able to slide in right here. This is actually the same gas station I came to when I was riding with Fire and Ice Chronicles. We stopped at this Road Ranger, and this is might be the same pump too. This wasn't planned, but it just so happened to work out that way. But you know, since I've been here, I gotta tag them. We're gonna tag them right there. Oh, hopefully it stays. It don't feel too sticky. Damn it, it's not sticky. But we're gonna leave it right there. It is so super windy today. I mean, beautiful weather, but this wind is just ridiculous. This is what's like, it kind of make you upset, because it's, as you can see, there's nothing out here to block the air. So the wind is just beating me up. There's no buildings, there's hardly any trees.
2 hours later.
Alright, y'all, I got me a little bite to eat. Gonna get some gas and we're gonna get back on the road. I had gas was like $3.75, I think, at that Ranger stop or whatever. Premium here is $3.20, so I didn't need to stop, but I know I didn't eat anything. All I had to eat this morning was I had some leftover from last night, which was like a little bit of hamburger meat and basically a taco minus the shell. So, you know, the ground beef and lettuce, tomato. I just had a little bit of that about 7 this morning. Here it is, close to 2 p.m. So, since I'm here, I'm gonna top off. I got a couple chicken tenders. So, alright guys, you know the ritual. What did I do with my one sticker? I had one that wasn't, oh yeah, it wasn't, oh there we go. I was gonna say, I knew it wasn't all the way empty yet. I know I need some lotion, guys, I know. Where's that? Oh, we're just gonna throw that right there. And what did I do with my gloves? So we can make sure these are still tight. And we lock this back up. Yep, make sure that's locked back up. Then there's my glove. Thank you.
He's on YouTube. He got a camera on.
You'll be on there if you want. So I have either the QR code or just my name, my channel name. Which one would you like?
I want
one of these. Okay, one of each. Okay.
Because my grandson was looking up too. He was,
okay.
He was like, Rachel. And he said, was that girl being prejudiced to him? Grandma, she said, I didn't know. I said, what she asked him.
Yeah. Oh yeah. No, the camera's a good thing. I need to get some scissors, but this will do. There you go.
Thank you so much.
Alrighty. Thank you. Just looking at the scenery, man, and you know, enjoying the great outdoors. I'm in no rush, Talco City. I'm in no rush, so I'm not really worried about what traffic is doing. I'm not worried about what time I get there. I'm just cruising.
I just want to let y'all know we made it safe down here, and hey, we finna enjoy the day. Hey, if you're in the area, holler at your boy. I might stop at 3 State Harley-Davidson, holler at them.
All right, let's get some gas. We're gonna stop at this day party. Oh, yeah, yep. Get some gas. Yeah, we're gonna check out this day party, y'all. Down here in Shreveport. Let's get some gas. We're not at good 93. Turn out the way. too. We got hungry, so we about to go check out this spot called Orlando. It's on the lake. Let's check it out, man. We on our way now. See? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The next day.
All right, y'all. We headed back. You know, it was a quick in and out. I didn't even plan to go to the day party, but I ended up there. You know, it just so happened to work out that way. But yeah, like I said, I came out here to help out my buddy with his truck. Got his truck together. I was able to hit the day party. Now we headed back to the crib. Everybody going to their respective areas. I'm heading back home. Stopped at this Sefco gas station, get some OJ before we hit the road. Head back on in, man. Check us out. Oh yeah. Yep. Bike doing good. Just hit 1,100 miles. I gotta do that 1K service. But yeah, all right, y'all. Yep. Bike doing good. Yeah, bike doing real good. And good gas mileage too. See my patch up there, you know I had to stamp it. So got me some gas. For a road trip snack. Seems like I've been on the road since 9 a.m. It's like 1:30 right now, I think. 3 o'clock. 3 p.m. Not a bad trip. Don't mind my chewing, y'all. I haven't really had anything except for breakfast this morning. But yeah, bike doing good. Taking my time. I'm in no rush. That's what it's about, man. I'm in no rush. I'm enjoying the ride, enjoying the scenery, enjoying the views. That's what it's all about. Do me a favor. Pause the video right here and show one of your friends this QR code. Have them open up their camera. You know, pause the screen. Have your friend open up the camera and just scan this. Once it opens up, subscribe. I appreciate you. I really do. Yes, you, America. I'm talking to you. Appreciate you. But yeah, bike doing good. Finishing up my snacks. We gonna head on in, man. I think I got an hour and a half to the crib, so yeah, we gonna cruise on in. I think I'm through all the traffic, so should be smooth sailing. Wouldn't be a road trip without a little traffic. That's what we sign up for, right? But hey, if you made it this far, man, I appreciate you, man. I really do. I rock with you. Leave a comment. Let me know you made it to the end. All right, y'all.